Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get some video. It's really windy, so it's hard to talk to the camera. But Seymour and I are just behind like the Sandman or whatever it is now in the Gulch. And she's struggling with staying engaged. There's a lot of new, there's a lot of wind, wide open spaces. She wants to explore. I'm gonna see if I can capture some video of what we do. If my camera will stay upright to get engaged. Yes. 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 Okay. Yes. Yes. Are you a good girl? You should let yourself have a shake. Shake that shit off, Seymour. What's up, Buttercup? Did you need a kiss? Will that help you? Yes! There we go. Yes! 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 As per usual, I pulled out my camera when we were past that point. Should have started filming right away. Yes, she's probably a little bit unsure. Okay, let's go. Yes.